What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to connect a phone to a 2022 Mazda CX-30 using Bluetooth. So I'm going to be pairing an iPhone to the Mazda CX-30 in this video. Other phones would be similar. The first thing you want to do is go into your phone's settings and open your Bluetooth menu and just make sure your Bluetooth is on. Now we'll take a look at our center screen, and the controls for that are down here. If you're not already there, let's go ahead and press the home button right here. That takes us to this screen right here. And you can see communication is highlighted. So I'm going to press this button in. And that takes us to this screen. Do you want to connect a device? Yes, and you can see connect is highlighted there. So we'll press this button in. And this is just telling us to make sure our Bluetooth is on, which we already did. So you can see continues highlighted. I'm going to press that button in again, that big round button. And then you can see there's a few different options here. I'm going to click pair from device. So that's highlighted. I'll press that button in again, the big round button. Now we'll grab our phone. And under the available devices, we see Mazda. Go ahead and click on that. Then you want to make sure that the PIN number on your phone matches the PIN number on the center screen, and ours does, so we'll click pair. And this is just asking if I want to give it access to my contacts. And now we're connected. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.